Hi traders, join me tonight for a live market analysis webinar where I'll be reviewing 12 currency pairs, analysing high time frame trend, support and resistance, and determining high probability trading levels. I'll also be answering all your trading questions. You can register at the link below. I look forward to seeing you there. I've discussed this before in my figure webinar. We're filling here the figure. So the way you could trade this, you don't have to trade it on a trend line break. If you thought this was a great level, you can trade this with limited risk. You could just be a seller at 81, stop at 81.20. So 81.20 is up here. So we've defined a really good level of potential resistance here. You can trade it aggressively, and if you're wrong, you're going to lose 20 pips. Or you can wait for a break of the trend line and you won't be getting in at the best price. You'll be getting in maybe at 80, 90. Depends how aggressive you want to be and whether you like this level. You know, I'm discussing the fact that this could be the high of the week. As I was saying, this fib tool is drawn across last week's candle. So we've retraced up 62% of last week's candle range. We're at a very good level. The fib level, the figure, 20 pip risk. And then if I just move down to the 1 hour chart, if it does top out exactly where we are at the moment, and you could trade down the range of last week, that's the candle of last week there. I move that over, we're putting this exact same range down that we did last week. Then the low would come in round about 79.70. Let's call it 79.70. So if you were selling at 81 and we got down to 79.70, risking 20 pips, there's 130 pips if my maths is right, or profit to move down there. Let me just double check with my. Yeah, around about 130 pips with a 20 pip risk. So well, that's a risk reward of about 1 to 6.5 if my basic maths in my head is right. You know, that's a good trade. If you're risking, say, 1 or 2% in your account, risking 1%, you could make 6.5%. Risking 2%, you could be making 13% in a week if price does hold here and then trade down for the rest of the week. Okay. So that's how I do things. I'm quite happy to trade there with a 20 pip risk, risking 1% of my account to make 6.5% of my account over the course of a week if it moves down.